Go ahead, girls.
Get her.
Oh, no. Now that I put the camera on, they're well behaved.
Trust me, it won't last long.
The video looks funny because they're both sitting there and
See, crowds are starting.
oh, good girl, Gussie. You're not hissing.
Gussie, the big monster. She's growling.
She's
Oh, don't bite, Gussie, don't bite.
actually they're playing. Gussie's trying to bite the table.
No biting, Gus.
Yeah, no bites.